Hello guys, welcome to the video. I think we'll go this way. I can't raise the camera because I'm having to my neck. Because I don't want to be yelled at for recording some person's kids. So yeah. Hi. I'm at Cannon Beach at a very different area. It's way up. It's really nice. There's some rocks here and there. There's a lot of paths. You guys just have to see what it's like up here. You guys can hear that water. That's a good thing. Means we're close enough. I have not been down this path yet. So we're both about to experience it together. Oh God. And they're just up there, so I can scream. They'll probably hear me. Actually, it's kind of spooky. I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go a different way. I'm gonna go the way that I came up. Grab the camera. Alright. Of course, I can't show my face because, well, I'm not old enough to defend myself from any of you creeps. I'm trying to get a hold of 11-year-olds like me. Defenseless. I have 2 parents and a brother. Oh, shit. Okay, so. Oh, fuck. I could be face this person and just cover my face with like a mask or something. Oh, shit. Very harder to come up this and go down. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Strangers. Having a good time with me. Alright. Oh, here we go. It's okay. I should have been down here by now, but I probably could have done this at a different time. And I really don't care. We're off. Okay. I have to watch my recording, but I also have to watch where I'm going, so I can't always be. So you guys might not get the best camera views. I'm going down the path. I also want to go down that path. House. This is pretty cool. Little thing. Oh fuck. These are brand new. Fuck. Just gonna place it. Well, fuck. Alright. going. Fucking telemarketer. Alright. 5-minute video.